Hello friends, today's topic, big blue chip stocks may not grow further. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. The purpose of the video is financial education of society. Many people ask this question. Blue chip companies have become too big, now they will not grow further. You must invest in small companies to get good appreciation. Now and then, many investors keep stating the above and are very excited to invest in smaller and relatively unknown companies. Reason they think that this is true is because the stock prices appreciated significantly in the last few years. Hence, investors think that stock prices stagnate just like real estate prices. The following is the stock price comparison of the largest stocks in Nifty 50 index, which are called blue chip stocks. This is not necessarily the list of most profitable stocks, but just large stocks which are large even 5, 10, 15, 20 years back, and observe the stock price appreciation in spite of being such large companies. Stock price comparison. Number 1, Reliance Industries. Stock price in February 2019, 1119. Stock price in February 2024, 2930. CAGR 21% per annum. 2, TCS. Stock price in February 2019, 2030. Stock price in February 2024, 4150. CAGR 15% per annum. 3. Infosys. Stock price in February 2019, 742. Stock price in February 2024, 1685, 18% CAGR. 4. HUL. Stock price in February 2019, 1773. Stock price in February 2024, 2394. CAGR 6%. ITC. Stock price in February 2019, 280. Stock price in February 2024, 407. CAGR 8%. Number 6, Titan Company. Stock price in February 2019, 1039. Stock price in February 2024, 3560. CAGR 28%. 7. Bharti Airtel. Stock price in February 2019, 274. Stock price in February 2024, 1118. CAGR 32%. L&T. Stock price in February 2019, 1243. Stock price in February 2024, 3322. CAGR 22%. Maruti Suzuki 6930 versus 10,795 in 5 years. CAGR 9% per annum. Tata Motors. Stock price in February 2019, 162. Stock price in February 2024, 907. CAGR 42% per annum. Going to the 11th company, M&M, 628 versus 1647 in 5 years and 21% CAGR. HDFC Bank, 1050 versus 1394 and CAGR 6%. ICICI Bank, stock price in February 2019, 342. Stock price in February 2024, 1020. CAGR 24%. 14. Asian Paint. Stock price in February 2019, 1394. Stock price in February 2024, 2971. CAGR 16%. 15. Bajaj Finance. Stock price in February 2019, 2561. Stock price in February 2024, 6603. CAGR 20%. Now we have some observations and comments regarding blue chip stock stagnation. 1. Most of these stocks have managed to give good returns in the last 5 years. In fact, some companies such as HDFC Bank, Maruti, HUL, ITC have underperformed this period. They may rally more than other companies in the coming few years. 2. All the companies were very large already many years back, but their business continues to grow. This is because of the huge population in India, and many companies still don't have a very high market share in their sector. Example, Reliance Retail accounts for less than 5% of the country's retail stores. Titan market share in jewelry is only around 7% currently. 3. Stock price does not stagnate just because the price is high. Stock price can stagnate when the company's business stagnates or grows very slowly. Example, MRF share price is around 1,44,000 per share. In spite of that, it is appreciated by 63% the last 1 year from 90,000 per share. 4. As long as company's product services have further scope to reach more customers and the overall sector is growing, then the stock price will rise as the company's revenues and profits become bigger. 5. Another misconception is that investors assume that all small companies have to become big. In fact, only few small companies become big. Many small companies stay small or even close down after some years. Sixth observation, when the stock prices rises a lot, some companies may decide to split their share or issue bonus shares which will reduce the share price, make it once again attractive for investors. Example, Nestle India share price had gone up to 27,000 per share. They split the share and now the price is around 2,500 per share. 7. It is easier to judge and assess whether a good company will continue to improve or stay good rather than which small company will surely become big. 8. Blue chip stocks may not give the highest percentage returns. Smaller companies have the potential to provide high returns. However, the chances of getting 50 to 20% returns per annum average is higher in blue chip than getting 20 to 30% from smaller companies. 9. So, whoever makes a generalized statement that blue chip stocks will stagnate definitely don't have much idea about stock markets. It may be true for some companies but not true for all companies. 10. More investors make mistakes in investing in small caps than large caps. However, many investors feel that this is not glamorous to invest in companies which everybody has heard about. End of the video, here is a question. Do you think compared to stocks, real estate has a higher scope for stagnation? Yes or no, you may type. If you are not the member of this particular channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye, all the best.